teaching Cantonese so I can quit my job. 3 ways to propose to your girlfriend in Cantonese. First, classic version. Marry me. 嫁俾我. 嫁俾我. Marry me. Second, romantic version. Will you marry me? 你願唔願意嫁俾我? 你 you 願唔願意 Are you willing to 嫁俾我 Marry me 你願唔願意嫁俾我 Third Q version Let's get married shall we 我哋結婚啦好唔好我哋 we 結婚 to marry 啦 ending particle to soften the sentence 好唔好 Is it good? Shall we? 我哋結婚啦好唔好 Can't wait to hear the good news from you!